Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see about environmental basis for food and agriculture. Environmental basis for food and agriculture. Actually, this topic comes under our first unit, environmental concern. Okay, we can move on to our first topic.
Environment. Environment is nothing but it is everything that is around us. It can be living or non-living. It includes physical, chemical and other natural resources. For example, in this image you can see lot of trees, lot of buildings, rivers and so many things. All these living and non-living things form an environment. In simple words, the term environment include all the objects you can see in your day-to-day life. That is environment. Now we can move on to our next slide, that is agriculture. Agriculture is the science, art or practice of farming which includes cultivation of the soil for growing crops and rearing of animals to provide food, wool and other products. Actually, most of us thinking that only cultivation and harvesting of crops comes under this agriculture. But the fact is, activities like dairy farms, aquaculture, poultry farming, these all things comes under agriculture. Now we can see about interaction between agriculture and environment. That is the modification that are happening in our environment due to agriculture. This modification can be mainly seen in these four areas, that is in soil quality, in water quality, in landscape, in food safety. These four main areas the modification is happening. So now let us discuss them one by one. First, soil quality. In soil quality, the main issues are contamination of the soil due to various chemical pollutants. Then the second thing is erosion of soil. Then third, desertification of the agriculture land due to less maintenance. Then the fourth one is decrease in nutrient supply to the soil or land. Then the last one is variation in moisture content in the soil. These are the main issues happening in our soil nowadays. Next, water quality and quantity. The main issue affecting the water quality and quantity is leaching of nutrients and pesticides in the water table. That means when a farmer applies pesticides means chemical which kills the insects, and while he applies water to the plant, this water and pesticides penetrate through the soil and reach the water table, and the groundwater will get contaminated. This is the first issue affecting the quality and quantity of the water. Then the second issue is the extraction of excess water from the ground through well or bore wells. These are the main two factors which are affecting the water quality and quantity. Then landscape. Decrease in agriculture land can lead to the decline of farming. On the other hand, increase in agriculture land can lead to loss of many beautiful and important features such as ponds, and can also replace traditional forms like industrial structures. Then the next one is food safety. Effect of agriculture practices affect human health rather than physical environment. Quality and safety of food gets affected by use of pesticides and drugs. That means when humans consume the foods from the crops grown by the use of chemicals, it can affect the human health. Today's class we have seen environment, agriculture and interaction between environment and agriculture. By this we shall end the session. Thank you. Have a nice day.